Hey everybody, it's Robbie from Wrench Syndicate here again with another episode on graphene ceramics. Today we're going to be applying the 3D graphene ceramic to this beautiful Audi S5. Now, one of the neighbors here in the building has graciously loaned me his car and is fully trusting that I don't screw up his paint. That's why we chose the 3D product, which is the easiest coating to put on. Basically, you put it on, count to 30, and wipe it off and buff. These products can be available at True North Auto Detailing here in Langley, British Columbia. Check them out. But first, here's the intro. All right, everybody. The first step that you need to do when you're doing any type of ceramic coating or any type of protection on your vehicle is you're going to have to decontaminate the vehicle. This one here is nice and smooth, so we don't have to do a clay bar process on the vehicle. If it felt like sandpaper, we'd be doing a clay bar process, which is really simple. Clay bar mitt, some clay bar lube, you spray, and you slowly wipe across until the paint becomes smooth and silky, slidey. So we don't have to do this because this paint has really been taken care of. But what we do need to do is make sure there's nothing like waxes or any other coatings on it for the ceramic to have to try and get through to the actual paint and adhere to it. If you don't clean it off, you could get varying results, including wax bubbling and some really, really dull spots, and then you're gonna have to clean it up and it just becomes a mess. So we're using the 3D wipe. It's a surface prep that will make sure the body panels are clean. And it's really simple. Spray on, wipe off, and that gets everything off. And you can do the car really quickly. And we're just gonna show you right on the front corner panel, and then we're gonna knock this out while the cameras are watching. That's how easy it is using the wipe by 3D. And you just move on down the car. And this stuff isn't too bad because it doesn't have a really harsh chemical smell. And I know I'm talking with my back to the camera, but I want to get this all wiped down and anything off that may be on this paint. And it also helps clean off any last little bit of dirt, because you don't want to have any dirt on your car when you're going to put your ceramic on, because if you do, it's going to be there for an awfully long time. So that is pretty much one whole side now of the car done. Not very long to do it. So we're gonna finish up with this, and then we'll be right back with actually putting on the ceramic coating. Okay, everybody, So we have now prepped the vehicle. It's being gone over with the 3D wipe. Gone over it, made sure it's dry. There is no other chemical on this vehicle. So now we're going to start applying the graphene infused ceramic coating. So the kit comes with one bottle. This is good enough to do probably 2 vehicles because you're not like putting it on thick. You get a applicator and you get the suede little square. You put the suede square on the foam applicator because that is the protector that's going to prevent you from scratching your paint. And you take this and you go down a nice coat onto this, and you basically put it on the vehicle going one way and then going the other way with it. So you do a crosshatch pattern to make sure you got full coverage. Now, the trick and where everybody goes wrong is they start on the quarter panel and go all the way down the side, and then they go back to the front of the vehicle, and that's already flashed and dried and you haven't been able to buff it. So with the 3D product, it's a little bit more forgiving. You've got 30 to 40 seconds flash time depending on the ambient temperature out, and then you just do quarter panel by quarter panel, door, door, small little areas. You can do the hood in one go, but you don't want to do the whole side of the vehicle in one go. You want to just go in little steps all the way down. And that will prevent you from screwing up putting your ceramic coating on. So let's get started. All right, welcome back. So we are going to put this on. I'm going to get a little bit closer to the camera so you can see how much I'm actually going to put on of this coating. So that's all you need to do. You don't need to soak it so it's dripping out of the sponge. You put a little bit on, and then you're going to do a crosshatch pattern. So I'm going to follow the contour of this here. Apply a little bit more if you need to. And now I'm going to do my crosshatch. And when I say crosshatch, you're just going the opposite direction to what you did before. Okay, now we're going to count to 30. So now it's actually flashed, and you can see a little bit of a difference in the product on the paint. So now it's time to buff. And make sure you give it a good buff. Flat hand, double overed, plushy. Take your time on the panel. And when you've done it right, it's nice and smooth. If you've messed up, it's going to be really hard to buff this off, and you'll feel resistance on the plushy cloth. Flip, final buff. You can use the 2-cloth method, which sometimes I do. But if you double up the cloth, you can use the same one, but the opposite side. That's your first quarter panel done. Not hard to do, very easy. Especially if it's like a nice temperature like it is right now. Do not apply this stuff in the sunlight. Don't apply it to a hot vehicle because it'll flash real quick. And I guarantee you, you'll be crying. So, very simple. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the rest of the vehicle. Okay, everybody, we're back again. So I just had the owner of the car actually try it up here off camera, and he's noticed a total difference in the paint, which is really good. So now I'm just gonna go through, I'm not really gonna talk, but I'm just gonna go through the motions of doing the rest of the car, and it's gonna be done in a couple of minutes. Like we're looking maybe 20 minutes to do one side of the car. Like I said, this vehicle has got pristine paint on it, so there's nothing else you need to do. If you had to do the clay bar, that's going to take you at least another 30 to 45 minutes to do a clay bar routine. And then any other type of paint correction, if you've got like big scratches and things, you're going to want to buff those out with a gun. It takes more time before you go to your ceramic. We didn't have to do this with this car because it's being taken care of. So we're going to go ahead and do the rest of the car. Pretty much. Now that's the door done. The one thing that you will know, you will get to know the paint job on your car, every dent, every little bit of your car. You're going to find out everything. It's what all car care things are all about. And as a good reference, follow the body lines on the door. So right here, there's a body line. Makes a great reference to follow it when I'm putting this stuff on. So I know where I've cross-hatched to. And there's the edge of the door there. Now I can do the bottom part. Now you won't be able to see it on a white car. It's really hard to see it. But when we say the product has to flash, you'll notice it on blue cars, red. You'll see like a rainbow color happening with the product. That's it flashing, that's it adhering to your paint. So that's when you're gonna get ready to buff it off. Depending on the weather, the temperature you're looking, and the product. It could be 30 seconds to 60 seconds, depending on what you're using and the temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it's going to flash. So you have to be really watching that rainbow to get ready to do your first buff off. So that's now down to the last final buff, and then that door's done. Now, if you really want to get good at it, practice on an old jalopy car, or better yet, do it to your wife's car first. But if you mess up, just get the wipe out, spray it, take it off, and don't tell her. Especially don't tell her that I told you to practice on your wife's car. So again, just follow the body panel lines. Just make sure you get a good coating evenly all over the vehicle paint, because you don't want to create any low spots. Now another good tip is when you're buffing, if you ever drop this on the ground, don't pick it up and use it. Throw it aside, get another one, because you don't want any contamination in the buffing pads on the colossal microfibers, because you're going to scratch your paint up. Just toss it aside, get another one. Okay folks, so that really wasn't too long of a period to actually do one side of the S5. So you figure with recording it, filming it, explaining it, it takes a little bit longer. But really, you could do this car in about 2 hours. So really easy to do. We just proved it. The 3D product is great. It's a beginner ceramic, easy, more forgiving than some of the other ones. So try that out. If you're looking for the ceramic, go to True North Auto Detailing in Langley. Get it from there. Talk to Doug. He is the man who will hook you up with what you need and explain to you all the processes about putting car care products on your vehicle. So go do it. Have fun. Do it out in a nice day under some shade. Have some fun with it. Take care of your vehicle. Keep it looking shiny. Keep that value up there. And until next time, we'll see you later.